Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I sent that video, the part one, to the person, and I was a little bit confused. He wanted this to be a certain distance, the same distance as there, but he also wanted these legs to be equal. So that's real, I've already done it. It's real easy, it's just a little bit of math. So we're gonna take now, and you can see why I always delete the lines, because the lines are still actually there. I just deleted them. I'm going to take a rectangle and I'm going to make it 8 inches. We're going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to make my line 2 inches thick. I'm going to go to Object, break, convert the outline to an object, left click, right click. And by making that 8, the 8 was in the middle. So now we made it both sides, so it'll just be 6 in the middle. And we're going to kind of prove that by going this way. So we have 6 inches. You know, everything's 2 inches. So in this video, I'm going to use a rectangle instead of a line. Same thing. I'm going to make it 2 inches. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Control D, rotate it 90 degrees. And now let me move this out of the way. And see, this is why if you don't move your smart fill, see the hidden lines, they're actually still there, because you could always turn them back on. If you don't ever want those, let's see how big this thing is again. It's less than 15, that's good. Now we're gonna take our smart fill tool, fill that in, nudge it over, that in, nudge it over, that in, nudge it over, that in, nudge it over. So now, not only are the parts 2 inches and 2 inches apart, this leg is, well, it better be 2 inches, 231. I don't know how I did that. Let me measure from over here. Well, you know what? That's what it was. My rectangle wasn't in the center. I knew I had it right. I just didn't. That's why I work in the center of the page. So now that everything should be equal. Parallel dimension tool. We have a 2-inch area, 2-inch thick wall, and a 2-inch long arm. That's what they were wanting. Just a little bit of math, you just got to figure it out and think about when you're making the line. We made it 8 inches, we made the line 2, so that brings it in 1 inch. Because when you draw, let's just draw an 8-inch hairline, and let's put P, put it in the center of the page. See, it's right in the center of that line. But when we make it that 2 inches thick, it adds 1 inch on both sides and gives you that. You can still see the bounding box from the hairline until you convert it to an outline or to an object. And then you've got that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.